how to ignore messages on Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Now to ignore someone's messages on Messenger, there are three options that you can do. So first of all, launch the Messenger application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now if you like to ignore a message on Messenger, select that specific account, and if you hold on that account, a drop down menu will pop up with bunch of options such as archive, delete, mute, or mark as unread, restrict, or block. So the three options that you can try out to ignore someone's message will be: first of all, you can either mute, or you can either restrict, or you can block that account. If you tap on mute, and it will ask if you like to mute notifications or call notifications or both. So tap on mute message and call notifications and tap on OK. Now you can either go with the time duration given here, or simply go to until I change it, then tap on OK, and this will not let you receive any notifications from this account, and you can ignore this message. And the second option will be, again, hold on that account, then if you tap on restrict, this account will get restricted. After doing so, you won't be able to receive any kinds of notification from that account, and that account will not know that if you are online in Messenger or not. So by restricting also you can ignore someone's message. And the third option will be, you can simply block that account. If you block that account, the interactions between that account and you will be reduced, and that account will not be able to access your account furthermore, and you can simply ignore that account on Messenger. So these are all the way you can do to ignore someone's message on Messenger application. And I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next tutorial.